Hi guys, in this video I am going to extend our project. Before we were done some small project, right, based on HTML and CSS. I am going to implement JavaScript to this project. Okay, for this I am going to I will run this code first. See, here we got output like this. For this, project I have made some modifications. That is, I have applied CSS with the external CSS. I have created one CSS file and applied that CSS file to our HTML by using a link tag. A relation is equal to style sheet and hrefs is equal to online.css CSS file. Okay. Now, when we see this, when I click home, we have to get the web page like this only. See, home.html. Okay. Firstly, we don't have this one. Okay, I will run this program again. See, here we got. When I click home, we want to get the same page. When I get click services, we want the same page, and in bottom we want to have some a button like services. When I click that services, we want to get the images and the services name below the image, whatever the services we have. And also when I click cancel, we have to get some web page we have to get some ticket number, and when date, when I click when I submit the ticket number, and we have to get that ticket to be cancelled. Okay. When I click booked, we have to get some web page. In that we have to get the similar web page, and we have to get the tickets which we were booked below before. Okay. In this video, I am going to tell home page and services. Okay. For this home page, I am going to create one HTML page, home.html. Right? I want to implement when I click this home, we have to get a home page, right? So here h reference we are going to give home.html. Okay. In this home.html, we want to get the same web page, right? I'm giving this a but to get some difference, here I'm giving some division. Here I am giving welcome to home page. No, welcome to online bus services. Okay, I'm giving here H1. Right. For this H1, I'm going to implement some CSS. First, I will see we got the web page, and I click home button. Wait. See, we got welcome to online bus services, but we want this welcome to online service bus services in some other color, and we have to apply some CSS to this. Here, I am giving some class name to this H1, that is okay, main subtitle. Okay, for that H1, I am going to give dot main subtitle. For this class, I'm going to give some background color, right? Here I'm giving some no. See, we got some background color to this H1, and I want this text in some other color. Okay, for this, I'm going to give for we are applying CSS for H1, right? Where is H1 located? Oh no, here. In this one only we can give color is color some. Okay, see we got this one, but we want some the text in middle, right? Text align center. See, we got a text in middle. Okay, next when I click service, we want to get some other web page that in that we want to have some button. When I click that button, we want to get some services image services which we have provided, that images and along with the services name, right? So for that we want to have some uh, JS file. Okay, first when I click this service, we want to get some other web page. For that I'm going to take one more web page, services dot html. So we got this one. we want to get the same web page with some modifications, right? So I'm giving the same code. Right, with this we want to get some in place of this text we want to have some button. When I click that button we want to get some images, right? So I'm creating one button. On click is equal to, so now so I'm taking some division. Why I took this division I will tell now. ID is equal to some, I have taken this division, right? Okay. Services dot html. In home also when I click services button we want to get a services web page, right? Here also when I was in home mode, when I click these services we want to get some other web page, that is services. So I given this name. Now okay, we got this. When I click this home button we will get this one. When I click services we will get, see, I have taken one high because in this place we are going to get some images. Okay, to show that difference I have taken some text. We if we don't take this text also we won't get any error. To get to see some difference I have taken this one. Okay, for this I am giving some name for this button. Okay, when I click this button I want to get in this place I want to get some services images along with names, right? So for this I am going to take one JavaScript file, that is okay, online.js. I have created one. Okay, I am taking one function service. Right, in the service I am going to implement when I click this button I want to implement this service function. Okay, I have when I click this button we want to implement this service function. So I have given on click is equal to service function. Then after what was the function we have to implement? When I click this one, in this place we want to get images and some description, right? So in this we are taking this division by using id. How we can take that one? By using document dot get element by id of id name. Okay, dot if we want to give some html in our JavaScript we are going to use in dot html. I already said this one is equal to, first I will take some text. Okay, hello. See here, in this place, when I click this button, I want to get hello instead of hi. So I have given some function to this button service. When I click that button, we are going to implement this service function. In place of this, we have to get hello. For this, I have taken one ID. By using this ID, document.getElement by ID dot we given some HTML for this one. Dot inner HTML is equal to hello. See, when I click this one, okay, wait. Okay, I will take some. See here, we have defined external JavaScript, right? We have to include that JavaScript by using script tag src is equal to service. Okay, wait, not service. Online.js. Okay, now I'm going to implement this. See, when I click this service button, in place of hi, I got hello, right? Here we write hello. That's why we got hello. In place of this hello, I'm going to write some division. I'm going to take, okay. Here we have to write our tags in double quotes. I opened some division and I closed that division. Okay. Here in this division, I took this one as one division. In this division, we want to get some image below that image. We have to get okay. I will draw that one. How we have to get that one? So we want to take one division. In this we want to add one image. Between below that image we have to add some text. Okay, travel name. Later next also we have to add another image. Here also another travel image. uh, Below this one we have to add some text, image, travel name, and also below this one we have to add some travel name. Okay, in this way we are going to take the services available. So for this we have to take one division, whole division. In this division we have to mention display as flex, because we have to display these three images and text side by side. So that's why we are going to take a display as flex for this division. Then after, in this division we are going to take three more divisions. Okay, three more divisions. For this divisions, in these divisions we are going to take one image. After that we are going to take some text, that is travel name. Okay, and this way we are going to implement this one. So first I have taken one division. For this we have to implement some display as for this we have to implement some display as flex, right? Because we have to display these three things side by side. So I'm going to in JavaScript we have to add, when we have to add CSS, we are going to take style attribute is equal to here display, right? Display what? Flex. If we give display as flex, we are going to get whatever the things which we have in this division, we are going to get side by side. Okay, later okay, later later we are going to take one more division, right? In this division we are going to take one more division. In that we are going to implement we are going to add one image. After that we are going to add travel name, right? So I'm going to take one more division. I want to close that division. Okay, okay, in this division we don't want to get side by side, right? We can display this image and text, that is travel name, one by one. We don't want to get side by side, so we are not going to add any display flex. So here in this one, in this division we are going to add image, right? For this I am taking one image tag. Okay, in this image tag I am going to give source src is equal to, for this source we are here we are going to use only single quote, because we used already double quote. So we are going to have to use single quote only. See, for style also we are going to use a single quote only. Okay, in this single quote src is equal to I have downloaded some images, that is one travel name Amaravati and one another travel name Royal, and one more is super. Okay, I have saved that images like this. So here src is equal to we saved that images in same folder. So we don't want to give complete path. Here we can give name dot extension. Here for Amravati, what was the extension? Amravati JPG file. Okay, Amravati dot JPG. Right. Then after this image, this image after we have to get one text, right? Here I am using H5 for the text. I have opened that H5 and I am going to close that H5. Right. In this H5 we have to add some text, that is Amravati travels. Okay. I will display this one. You will get one clarity. See, in place of this service hi, we got this services image and Amravati travels. Okay. Now I'm going to adjust this image width and height because it's very large. So for this image I'm going to give some CSS properties. For that I'm going to use a style is equal to some attributes. Width I'm giving width as 200 pixel and height as 200 pixel. Okay, here we have to give semicolon. See, when I click this button, I got the image, and after that image, we got travel's name. Okay. Next, the same way, I am going to add one more what I tell image and travel's name. Okay. See, I have taken one division and I have closed that division here. Here I closed the division. In between I have given us one image and some text. Okay. In this image I am going to give some here. What was the second image? I saved that as royal. That is JPG file only. Royal dot JPG. And here travels, royal travels. But we are getting not side by side. Style is equal to wait. Okay, later I will see that one. Uh, next, uh, next I want to add one more image, right? Okay, wait. Here I have opened a division. Here also one division. See, we got this one, right? Next one, we want to add one more image, that is super luxury. That is PNG file. Okay, for that I am using one more division. Okay, wait. See, here we got super luxury also. But I want some space in front, so that the images will fix in between, in middle. So I want to give this space here, right? Front of this whole division. So I am giving the margin left. I am giving some 400 pixel. It's somehow see, we got images in this one, right? In this way, we are going to get when we click this button, we are going to display these services. Okay. If we want the space between this images also, we have to give style to this image, to this division. Style is equal to margin left, margin left for some 50 pixel. Okay, now I will see. See, we got space between these images also. Okay. In this way, we can display our images. I want margin top also. So here I am giving some. See, we got margin top and margin left, margin right, and also margin bottom. In this way, we are going to give images by using button. When I click this button, we have to implement some function. With that function, we are going to give this in this division. We okay. Now I am removing this high. Cancel it. I have removed this high, but when I click this service, in space of that, because we are giving some division to in that page, right? In that division, we are going to get this images. Okay. In this way, we are going to give our JavaScript. I want to implement some what we call CSS to this one also. So I am giving it CSS to this button also. Border radius 5%. Later background color dark. Okay, I will see. See, we got some CSS property to this, and also item align items in center. And what for this one? I will use margin left 40%. See, we got services. See, we got services button. When I click this services, we will get services available. Okay. In next video, I will show how to create a cancel web page and how to interlink that one with this home page, and also I will show how to create a book web page. In next page we are giving some buttons that is from to in this. Okay, I will explain in this one. In next pages I am giving some text that is from some text and to some text. By using this from and to, we are going to display the buses which were available basis on this from and to information. For that I am going to use one array object, and I am going to use some conditional statements. Here when I enter from Hyderabad to Chennai, I am going to get all the buses which were going to travel from Hyderabad to Chennai. Here we will get a serial number from to, that is Hyderabad to Chennai, on which date it will be going. So by using in the table format I am going to display those one. So that's all about today. Don't miss next video because it was so important in our project. That's all about today. Thank you.